Hi, I'm Jane, and I'm here to help answer some questions about the OMF South that will be coming to the South King County area. First question.
What's an OMF? OMF stands for Operations and Maintenance Facility.
Think of it as a place where the trains live when they're not being used. You know, like their home where they go for cleaning, storage, and maintenance to get ready for the next day. The OMF South is going to be able to hold 144 light rail vehicles and will create over 470 new jobs. All of the OMFs are actually part of a region-wide network, and they are crucial to supporting our growing light rail system that will connect 16 cities and have 116 miles of track. So, one might wonder, how bright will the lights be at the OMF South at night? Well, it's a good thing I've got Gary with me today to help answer that.
Thanks, Jane. That's a great question. The nighttime light pollution, and that's a technical term for it, will be mostly limited to lighting for safety and security. And that's similar to what you'll find at a parking garage or a parking lot. Our overhead lights will also be pointed directly at the facility or the yard, so it really shouldn't create any glare or impact the surrounding areas.
Well, I've got another question. What is the OMF South going to look like?
We understand people's concerns about the OMF South. It's a big facility with a lot of light rail trains. While right now we don't know exactly what the OMF South will look like, I can tell you our architects and designers will create an OMF building that is functional as well as aesthetically pleasing. Because hey, we want it to look nice too. There will be landscaping with trees and short shrubs along the edge of the property, and my personal favorite, each of our OMF facilities in the region will also feature their own unique public art to give them some visual interest, or as I like to say, some visual pizzazz.
Love that pizzazz! Thanks so much, Gary. And thank you for taking the time to learn more about the OMF South. This is your community, and we know it's important to you. If you have more questions, you can visit the Sound Transit OMF South project page, where you can get more information and sign up for updates. Until next time, bye!